But the story that continues to get bigger, and a story that continues to be at the center work of the BJP versus a Congress warfare, is the reservation for Muslims. The biggest talking point in these elections, right after the Congress party, you would recall, released the manifesto for the polls. Now the BJP has remained firm on its stand that the Congress wants to take away reservation from the SC, the ST, the OBC, and instead give it to Muslims. Now, what has further happened is that the Prime Minister has escalated this offensive on the Congress. The Prime Minister is taking out videos from the Congress party's history. Now, he goes back to the archives. He's citing an old video of Rahul Gandhi, where Rahul Gandhi is seen supporting reservation for Muslims. Now, this video that we'll just play out in a bit will show you how Rahul Gandhi is slamming Mulayam Singh Yadav for not speaking on the issue of reservation for Muslims as the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister. Interestingly, the same Congress party today is in alliance with the SP in the state of UP. It's also a part of the IND alliance. We have this video first up for you before we get you more reactions.
आरक्षण की बात उठाई, मुलायम सिंह यादव जी 3 बार मुख्यमंत्री बने, एक बार आरक्षण के बारे में नहीं बोला। प्रेस ने उनसे पूछा, भैया आरक्षण के बारे में क्या सोचते हो? सन्नाटा, जैसे अभी खड़ा हुआ है, सन्नाटा। 2-3 बार पूछा, सन्नाटा। फिर कांग्रेस पार्टी करती है, मनमोहन सिंह जी खड़े होते कहते, भैया करना है, हम देंगे, मुसलमान भाइयों को आरक्षण देंगे, शामिल करेंगे इनको।
शाहजादा खुद बोल रहे हैं कि वो मुसलमानों को आरक्षण देंगे। ये इंडिया अलायंस वाले, कांग्रेस वाले, उनके साथी, ये कम्युनल है। ये भारत की बिन सांप्रदायिकता के संविधान के घोर विरोधी है। दूसरा, ये घोर जातिवादी है। और तीसरा, ये घोर परिवारवादी है।
So you've heard that attack that came in from the Prime Minister earlier, but do remember Rahul Gandhi is not the only leader who's actually spoken about reservation for Muslims. Earlier, you would recall the former Prime Minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh's statement also, where he allegedly said that Muslims should be having the first right on India's resources, has been used. It has been brought up by the Prime Minister during an election rally in Rajasthan. This is where the Prime Ministers accused the Congress of fear-mongering and misleading the country.
We need to be revitalized. We will have to devise innovative plans to ensure that minorities, particularly the Muslim minority, are empowered to share equitably in the fruits of development. They must have the first claim on our resources.
Let's also get in our colleague Shivani, who's been tracking that story closely. She's joining us live. You know, Shivani, one can say that this has become the albatross around the neck of the Congress. You know, they are not able to distance from this comment, neither are they able to accept this, saying that, yes, we made this comment and we stand by it. But in the middle of all this, how do voters respond to this, you know, very divisive comment that has come in from the Congress? Many say that reservation on the basis of religion is something that goes against the tenets of the Constitution. But does the Congress have a response at all?
See, Deepthi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is now bringing in more evidence to what he has been claiming since the Congress had released its manifesto, where there were a number of promises that were made based on the religion. That's what the Prime Minister had been claiming. He said that Congress appeases Muslims. It doesn't work for the OBCs, SC, STs. And here he has brought this video, which is around 10 to 11 years old, and he says that this has been the strategy of Congress to appease Muslims and promise reservations based on religion. That's what Prime Minister has brought in with this video, the evidence, because, you know, when Prime Minister was addressing the rallies after the release of Congress manifesto, and he was saying that Congress believes in reservation which is based out of religion. Congress was trying to rub it off. It was saying that our manifesto is being mistakenly taken up by Prime Minister and the BJP. So now he's bringing in more evidence with these videos which are 10 to 11 years back, and not only one video where Rahul Gandhi can be seen saying that there should be reservation for the Muslim, but also, as we shown to our viewers, the then Prime Minister Manmohan Singh's video where he was also talking about Muslims and more to be done for them. So now largely this could be understood that the strategy of the Congress has been to appease Muslims and the reservation for Muslims which has been talked about. But yes, when they were countered with this fact, they were trying to rub it off. They were trying to tell the people that they do not believe in this kind of reservation which is based out of religion. But yes, this video which has been now tweeted by Prime Minister Narendra Modi clearly tells how the appeasement of the Muslim appeasement politics has been taken up by the Congress since years and decades.